Hi everyone, welcome to our new video series, What Would Keith Do? What I'm going to talk about this week is a new piece of kit that I took with me to Morocco, and it's a Cloudcover by Alpkit. Various companies make them, but I bought the Alpkit one. And all this is a down-filled blanket. And obviously I took a sleeping bag with me as well. But on trips such as Everest Base Camp and Kilimanjaro in Morocco, where you could be in 30-degree heat at the bottom and -5 degree, -10 degree temperature at the top, taking a sleeping bag with you that covers all of those remits is really difficult. And that's where I thought this would come in really handy. And this literally just is a down blanket. But at the same time, what you can do is it's got poppers down the side, and you can make it into its own sleeping bag at the same time. It's then got drawstrings at the bottom, and then what you end up with then is just a down sleeping bag for you to get into. It's not as thick as your sleeping bag. The other good thing about this is if your sleeping bag, if you already had a 3-season sleeping bag and potentially the trip that you were booking, you needed a 4-season sleeping bag, you could go and get yourself one of these, get into this, and then get into your sleeping bag as well. And then that would make your sleeping bag up to a 4-series sleeping bag, and you would be nice and warm and everything would be toasty. So that's the video for this week. We've looked at the Cloudcover. There are other companies out there that make something really similar. I think they're a really good piece of kit. They don't weigh anything. They're not bulky at all. And it's just something that you can put in your bag. And even when you go out camping, it'll be ideal. Any questions, email them in to us at the Bucket List Company, and we can make one of these videos and answer your questions as well. Thanks very much.